In this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh quick add on Snapchat. So in your Snapchat, click on your Bitmoji on the top left, and then it will bring you up to your profile page. So in here, scroll down a bit until you see the friends section and click on add friends. So from here, you can try to hide or delete someone. And you can also refresh this by going to the top of Snapchat and then drag up and let go. So it looks like this. And then everything will be going to refresh on your Snapchat. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.